Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update Nissan Rogue software step by step. Start by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and keep the engine running or accessory power on. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi hotspot or use a mobile hotspot, then access the infotainment settings. Verify available updates, download them fully, and follow on-screen prompts to install while maintaining power and connectivity throughout the process. To prepare your car, gather essentials like keys, account info, and a phone hotspot if needed. Confirm the vehicle battery is healthy and connect any required chargers. Remove USB drives with unrelated files and unpair unnecessary devices to speed up the process. Review infotainment settings for current software version notes and free space. Confirm you can remain near the vehicle for the entire update window to avoid disruptions. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while working on your car. The Owala water bottle is handy and leaks very little during projects. Check the video description for the product link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you find it useful. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin the update by accessing Settings, then System Update or Nissan Connect updates in the infotainment menu. If prompted, accept terms and start the download, monitoring progress % on screen. Once download completes, choose Install and let the vehicle process the update. This may take several minutes. Reboot the system if requested and verify new version numbers after installation. If errors occur, consult the manual or contact Nissan support for guided troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.